Let's talk about the hardware. This is what came with the railings. You have these smaller washers, bigger washers, and these nuts here, and you have these expansion anchors. So the way these work is you drill a 1/4 inch hole. You need a masonry bit with a hammer drill to drill these holes. And then this little sleeve right here, basically when you put the nut on here and you tighten it, it's going to pull this bolt, and this sleeve is going to expand over this taper, and it's going to push out and hold against that concrete. And that is why they call it an expansion anchor. So now I need to figure out how deep I need to drill these holes. So I'm going to take my expansion anchor, I'm going to put my small washer on, and then my big washer, although it goes this way. Doesn't really matter, but this is how it's going to go in, like this. And then I'm going to put the nut on this bolt. This is just to figure out how deep I want to drill my holes. I just want to have this a couple threads on, something like that. And then I'll put this in here. And another thing that I'm going to add is a waterproofing membrane to the bottom here, just to try and eliminate water from getting in and sitting here and rusting this out eventually. I already have these pre-cut, so I'm gonna pop those on the bottom before I do this. So I'm gonna hold this here just to get the depth, and then I'm gonna measure right against here, and it looks like I wanna go about 1 5/8 inches. Technically, I could go 2.5 inches and just hammer these in, but it would be nice to have a bottom for these to hit so I know that they're all going in at the same depth. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 1 5/8 inches on all those holes.